Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd make another recipe. This time around we're going to make a smoothie, which could be a meal replacement for you because it's a pretty filling smoothie. It's going to contain some milk, chia seeds for protein, and a banana. And now you can also drink this as a dessert, especially if you're trying to eat healthy, because this is a healthier version of a dessert than having a cake. So I'll show you what kind of ingredients we're gonna need, tell you how many ingredients you're gonna need to make 1 cup of a smoothie. And now I'm gonna use this Ninja blender I have. It's a professional series blender. It comes with a big cup and 2 small cups. So today, because I'm making a single serving of a smoothie, we're just gonna use the small cup. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this recipe is you're going to need 1 banana. You're gonna need like a cup of spinach. You can actually pack more because you can later break it down. So you can about a cup of spinach. So you want to always add some kind of a leafy green to your smoothie to make it more healthy, because you can't really taste the spinach, but of course spinach has a lot of iron and health benefits for you. Now this time around we're gonna use strawberries and raspberries, and I have the frozen ones. Of course you can always use the fresh ones, but I like to buy huge packs in Costco. So a half cup of strawberries and a half cup of raspberries. Then we're going to add 1 cup of vanilla milk. I'm using vanilla almond milk unsweetened because I don't want any extra sugar, because there's enough sugar in the banana for me. Of course, you can always add some honey or maple syrup if you want your smoothies sweeter, but you still want them to be pretty healthy for you. Of course, if you don't like almond milk, you can always use oat milk, soy milk, lactose-free milk, whatever milk you like. You just need some liquid, so it's a little bit more runny when you drink it. Now I'm going to add some organic chia seeds. These are very good for you. Health benefits you can always read online. And I like to add some organic cacao powder because I really like chocolate. Of course, pure chocolate is not so good for you, but a little spoon of organic cacao powder is pretty good in a smoothie. So now let's get down to making it. So I'm gonna take 1 cup of almond milk. Actually, I'll just empty this in here. So half cup strawberries, half cup raspberries. Now we're gonna use 1 cup of almond milk. Almond milk has great health benefits for you as well, so I really like it. So this is just 1 cup of almond milk. Okay. You can always use a little bit less, but usually about half of a cup of liquid is good, or a little bit less. Now we're just gonna peel a banana to add in here. If you want it to taste sweeter, you should always wait for your bananas to get a little bit brown, so they're more sweet. But I prefer my bananas a little bit on the greener side. Now you just pack spinach. Okay, whatever fits in here. You can always just pack it down. There could have been a little bit more than a cup of spinach in here. I didn't really measure it just by my eye, so it's okay. I just see this is full, so that's good. Now you're gonna take chia seeds, and this is 1 tablespoon. So all you do is just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And I like to add about 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, or you can always do less or more depending how you like it. Okay. So then I just close this down. There you go. And then in my machine, you just lock it. And then there's a special button to use a small cup. So now I'm just gonna blend it for you. Okay, I think it's about enough. This is a pretty strong blender. So as you see, everything is perfectly mixed. So then you can always drink this from this cup. They actually even give you a part that goes on top of this cup, so you can drink it right out of the cup, but I actually prefer to use one of this mason jar mugs. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. And you see how nice consistency? There is no bits of spinach, nothing, everything is perfectly smooth for you. And so this is my version of a berry chocolate smoothie. You can use any kind of berries you like. So if you don't like one of the berries, you can do like banana, blueberry, strawberry, raspberry. You can always add just 1 cup of whatever berries you have. So I hope you enjoy. Try it out. I really like how it tastes. It's like a dessert in a cup, but a healthier version for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.